Back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining us, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do hope you stay, subscribe, and become a part of the ZX family. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, I need to stop saying that in my videos, but like because everyone can see it, like I know that you guys can see it. But anyways, as y'all can see from the title of today's video, I will be doing a little hair slay. I'll be showing you guys how to lay your wigs for like a long period of time using the stocking cap method. I honestly am new to this method and I really taught myself. This is a very beginner, guys. This is beginner. Like I was learning while teaching you guys, if that even makes sense. So let's not even say it's a tutorial, like just watch me struggle. And if you happen to pick up some really useful tips, use them. But I will link some other people who've done really great videos that I like as well. But this is just what I've decided to do, and it didn't work out badly. Like I'm not upset with the outcome. I actually filmed the part where I laid this wig last night, and then this is today. So as you guys can see, everything is laying pretty snug. Stay tuned to find out how I actually laid the wig using the stocking cap method, and stay tuned to find out all the specs on this hair. So guys, this hair is by a company called Afsisterwig. They are my homies. You guys have been here. I've done so many videos with them. If you guys would like to see, just go ahead and search it on my channel. You'll see a couple of them. Basically the hair came in its normal packaging, how it always comes from Afsisterwig, looking beautiful, stunning, simple. I like that they're simple, but like their packaging serves its purpose, and it's sturdy. It gets the hair to where it's from, to where it needs to go, and it holds all the necessary things that it needs to have. So I really like it for that purpose. It's also recyclable, just by the way. The hair that I got is actually a 360 lace wig. As y'all can see, you'll actually get to see it better in the clips, but the hair has lace all around this perimeter, and then it has tracks on the middle. Sorry, it is in the cap size small, and I did get it in the length 12 inches. I really love this length. The last time I got a 12-inch wig, guys, was like the first wig that I ever bought in my life, which I'm really happy to be back there. It's a really cute length, and I really just wanted a chilled bob that I can wear like on an everyday basis. It is 180% density. I was considering going 150 just because I don't like my head to be super full, especially right here. This is like the perfect amount of fullness. I am gonna pluck it a little bit more like in the center, but I think this is perfect. Like they really did distribute the hair and like kind of make sure that it's full where it needs to be full, and I really love the hair. Like all around, this is one of my favorite wigs, and also because it's so simple that it's like one of those you really can just do whatever you want with it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and I stand a versatile babes. I really stand one. I will leave the price right now on the screen so you guys can see that it's super affordable, so definitely something I would recommend to you guys. You guys will see me fiddle with the wig in the clips and stuff like that, so stay tuned if you guys would like to see that. But if you guys would like any more information on Afsisterwig, or if you guys would like to check out any more wigs that they do have in store, please go ahead and check out my description box, guys. They have awesome wigs. Like I literally struggle when I need to choose one because I'm like, there are so many that I love. But definitely go ahead and check out the rest of the video if you guys would like to see how to do the stocking cap method for your bob, and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hi dolls, back with another voiceover. You already know what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by putting on our beige colored stocking cap. You can basically get these from like 5 rand stores. I usually get them in the packages that come with my wigs, but yeah, you can pretty much find them wherever. Important to get yourself one that is this color because it is easier to manipulate into creating it and making it into your skin tone. As you guys can see, I put that stocking cap right up until my brows, and then I am applying my got to be glued freeze spray gel type of situation. I feel like it is best suited with this because it does stick pretty well. I'm just so annoyed with my head shape because my hairline comes really close to my brows, so I kind of have to put this on a bit of my hair, but it's not a big deal. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut this when it is dry. Guys, you need to wait for it to dry. You can either dry it with a hair dryer on the cool setting, or you can just wait like I did because my blow dryer is a hot ass mess. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm now cutting off the excess stocking cap. I do think that I could have done this better, but of course we live and we learn. My scissor was also really blunt for absolutely no reason. As you guys can see, this is really just a struggle video of me attempting to do this thing. I have since learned how to do it better. This video was filmed literally so long ago, but yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with my got to be glued spiking gel. This gel is a little bit stronger than the spray in my humble opinion, but yeah, I'm gonna put this on the perimeter of where I've just put that stocking cap. I'm also gonna kind of use this to lay down the perimeter, the edges of the stocking cap, to make sure that they lay super duper flat. You don't want these parts to be sticking up when you go ahead and apply your wig. Now I put the wig on my head and I'm going to lay it down. I literally just use that same gel to actually lay the wig. So now you guys will see me sort of making sure that my wig is laid down super flat. Will mention that you should definitely put your foundation shade on the actual beige wig cap, just to make sure that it blends really well. But I'm not mad at how mine actually came out looking.
Thank you so much to you guys for being at the end of this video. Once again, I really do appreciate all your support. As you guys already know, I stand my ZX family till the day. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels, and I'll of course see you guys in my next video. Bye.